Hi guys and welcome back for another video. So today we are going to read a book, and this is a NoorKids book. If you want to buy any NoorKids book or this book yourself, you can go to NoorKids.com.
So should we move on to the first page?
Yes, but first I'm going to introduce you to the characters. It's not too going that well now. In there. So first, there's Shireen. As you can see, Shireen is hitting about. So the pencil is there to let you know which person it is. Okay, Asad. Asad is a scientist. And as you can see, he is climbing on this mountain.
So he likes climbing, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Not sure.
And Shireen likes to shoot from arrows from the bow.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Well, she likes nature at least. And over here is cooking some lasagna, I think.
Oh, he likes eating, I'm sure.
He likes lasagna. I know that. And there'll be something related to that coming up.
Okay, so what happens here?
And Amira, as you can see, is with her sword.
So she likes playing with a sword.
Maybe I would not say likes, but okay. Wait, there. And the story is the ultimate recipe, and the winner of the Junior Chef Challenge is the students at Northport Elementary are competing in a school-wide cook-off. Amin for his delectably delicious double stuffed lasagna. The crowd is stunned. Everybody who thought Amira would win.
So who do you think will win, Amira?
I already mentioned Amin and Amira. Wait, give me this one too. I need to don't fold it. I need to show you all something on this page. Alright. Let's look. So see over there, the bunny over there.
Yeah.
With a pink sauce pointing, that's Amira.
Oh, so you think that will win?
Yeah, they all thought she would win, but Amin would win. Amin won.
Let's see how it goes then.
And I also mentioned those characters earlier. How did you do it, Amin? Amira was asking Amin. And now Amin is going to tell you. He's going to tell Amira how he did it. It was simple. I just followed my mom's special recipe book. It told me what ingredients I needed and what directions I needed to follow. As winner, Amin received special prizes: a pair of oven mittens, a bundle of NoorKids books, and a copy of the Holy Quran. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Okay, then what?
And I want to tell you something, everybody. I want to tell you something. So this is a NoorKids book, and there's a NoorKids book inside a NoorKids book.
That's funny. How can you have a book inside that book?
Okay.
Should we go back to the story?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try and read it.
Amin is excited about the prizes, but by the time he arrives home, it's late and time for bed. Sweet dreams, Amin.
Oh, so that's her mom telling him, isn't it?
This is Amin's mom's voice that I do. Sweet dreams, Amin.
Okay, so let's just focus it. Let me just focus it for a second.
Some focusing. Okay, yeah. I can't wait to read my NoorKids book. I'll just read one. Amin enjoys reading, but before he knows it, he read 3 books, and it's almost midnight.
Oh, but I think you again missed the right order because you need to read this.
Okay, yeah, I missed the right order again. With a flashlight under the covers, Amin starts reading his NoorKids book. Again, and NoorKids books inside NoorKids books. I do not know how is that possible.
And then he says, hee hee.
Hee hee, this is hilarious. Whoever wrote this is a genius.
And so he enjoys reading.
He enjoys reading, but before he knows it, he's read 3 books and it's almost midnight.
I don't think it's a good idea reading with a flashlight in your bed. Let's see what happens to him.
Oh wait, guys, I want to show you the picture. Camera? You just focus on the here. Under the picture. This is some adjustments, and you guys can't see this picture, right? That picture? That's a me. Do that. Anyways. The next morning, while Amin prepares for school, he keeps yawning. I can barely open his eyes. So Amin is like when he tries to open his eyes, he's like...
Oh my God, how can he then go to school on time?
Wait.
Okay. Can you now show me what you were trying to show?
Yeah. Amin when he was trying to open his eyes, he was like...
How can then he walk to school? Oh my God, I can't wait to find out what happened to him on the way. Yeah. Are you going to tell this today or not?
I'm not going to tell them today, and it is not a good idea. Don't do that. Yeah. And it's not a good idea to stay up in the middle of the night while reading some books. Anyways, let's just show them here. So Amin walks to the bus stop. Not oddly, none of his friends are there. Maybe he doesn't know that it's not a school day. Maybe it's Saturday or Sunday, or maybe his friends are already there.
Oh.
Who knows? But we're gonna tell that next time. You guys can keep thinking what's gonna happen, but I'll see you guys later. Done.